Hello everybody, Multiman37 back here with another video, this time of the sound effects with the driver and door juice sound effects. I'm not going to waste any time, I'm just going to drop right into it, and I will also be doing all three of the type changes because I didn't show type wild, and I kind of want to be even with myself. So, let's not waste any time, move these all aside, so get ready to... And
start your engine.
First up, speed.
Drive type speed.
Next, we tire coke on. Or, actually, no, we're using this in the door gun. My bad.
Start speed.
If I go over 10, I'll just do a part 2 of this, so... Next up is max flare. You had no right to do that. Yeah, you can actually interrupt it, and then it will still register. So I'm going to do that. Pretty cool, huh? Disrupt the system. Midnight Shadow. Next is Justice Hunter. Which would make the most sense in here. Next is Massive Monster. Spin Mixer. That would actually make the most sense in here, because, you know, you can shoot cement from there. Dream Vegas.
Kayakokan. Dream Vegas.
Forgot to do that.
Dream Vegas.
Dimension Cab, which could pretty much turn this into a portal gun once you think about it. That would actually be really cool.
Kayakokan. Dimension Cab.
Well, that was pretty short anyway. Next, we're gonna switch types with Wild.
Derive. Type Wild.
While we've seen him use the door gun in Type Wild, he hasn't really used the Hisats for it. Rumble Gun, which makes more sense than the handle gun, really.
Kayakokan. Number top.
I wish I could just skip it from saying Hisats, but you actually have to wait until it says Hisats. So, next up is, there it is, Mad Doctor.
Kayakokan. Mad Doctor. Mad Doctor.
What does this do? Shoot out syringes? As painful as they are, I wouldn't be surprised. Hooking Wrecker.
Kayakokan. Fucking Lekka. Fucking Lekka.
Next up is Colorful Commercial.
Kayakokan. Colorful commercial. Colorful commercial.
Next up, we'll switch types with Technique.
Derive. Type Technique.
Fire Kokan with Fire Braver.
Kaya Kokan. Fire Braver.
Which I guess could make this a fire extinguisher. And last is Rolling Gravity.
Kaya Kokan. Roaring Gravity. Roaring Gravity.
Now let's cancel the transformation.
Knife Drive.
Thank you, belts on. And because there's nothing registered in here, this is all you get. Overall, I do like the wide variety of sounds that both the handle cannon and the door gun share. Sure, they're the same, but really, who really cares? I like it, and I hope you can pick this up to try out these sound effects. So I will see you guys next time. Take care. Dun dun! I have way too much free time.